Gotta open it.
Uh-oh. Look.
Emmett always likes to put the silverware away. He's very good at it.
Wait.
Can you put that in the drawer?
No.
Thank you.
Look.
A lot of times you find things where they don't belong, but that's okay.
Look. Oh.
Good job. See, like that doesn't belong in there, but that's okay. We just fix it later.
Oh.
Because it's very helpful. But don't worry, we took out all the steak knives. Nobody, just the silverware.
Look.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go fix the drawer a little bit or all of the silverware won't fit. He'll do this